Hi, Jason here with WTI, and I wanted to talk to everyone about this carbon monoxide alarm. This is from Xsense, and it is it's Wi-Fi, which an option that I really wanted. So that means I can interact with it with my phone. But it was something that, of course, we needed one, especially in the winter months here, where we're using more space heaters or even a fireplace. So we needed one that would, of course, sound an alarm when carbon monoxide was in the air. So this one is an excellent one. Works well. It's very loud. Gives it a good alarm. It's got an excellent display reading. It comes with a battery. So it was something that we were in the market for. It's worked for our purposes, and it lets us know, keeps us safe with carbon monoxide. So I know we've liked it. So something that I know you'll like it, but that's just my point of view.